Welcome back to MSR tutorial. Today we are going to see how to draw hyperbola given the distance of the focus from the directrix as 55 mm and eccentricity as 1.5, and also draw a tangent normal at any point P on the curve. So I have already drawn that answer. Just check it out. This yellow color line shows the hyperbola curve and this line shows the tangent. This line shows normal. So we can see how to draw hyperbola. So first of all, find out the distance directrix between to the focus as 55 mm. So click the line, draw a directrix line, then again click the line in the middle, draw directrix to focus distance as 55 mm, type 55 and enter. So we have your distance directrix to focus distance as 55. So we need to divide it by some parts to get the vertex point. So for this case, how many parts we are going to divide it? So here they have given eccentricity as 1.5. They are given in the decimal. So we need to change into a fractional value like 1.5. Instead of 1.5, we can mention also 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 means totally 3 plus 2, 5 parts. So we need to divide this line into 5 parts. So for that, use the divide command and select this object and type 5 segments. We can divide it by this line to 5. So then we need to mention the numbering. So for that, use the text command and click here. This point is our A, this point is our vertex, and this point is our focus point. So then use a circle to draw from vertex to focus. Then use a line from vertex point to the circular. Vertically you just draw one line. Then using trim option, remove the unwanted circle. Like this. Then we just type this intersection point is our C point. This is our C point. Then connect A to C. We got AC line like this. So we need to extend this line from the C point to some extent. So for that, use a line as a boundary line here. Then type extend command. Select the boundary first of all and enter and select this line. We got the extended line. Then delete this boundary. So we got like this. Then we need to draw the axis line for some extent. From focus, you just draw like this. Then we need to draw the parallel line of V to C. So for that, use the command offset. Then enter the distance. Offset distance is 10 mm. Then click the object and move your cursor to right direction. Then we need the multiple lines. So type M and move it in right direction. Okay. Then we need to extend this line to this AC line. So for that, use the extend command. Select the boundary first of all. Then enter. Click all the object. So I just extended. Then give the numbering. Use the text command. Click the number here. 1, 2, 3. This point is our 4. This point is our 5. Similarly, you just give the numbering here. 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, and finally 5 dash. So after that we need to arc it. So for that use a circle, measure 1 to 1 dash, 1 to 1 dash, just move this circle from 1 to focus point. So we are getting the intersection point here. So type point and get the intersection point. So like this how to get for 2 to 2 dash. So move the circle 2 to 2 dash, from 2 to focus we are going to get the intersection point here. So type point, get the intersection point. Then for 3, then move the circle to focus, get the intersection point here. So for that you just use zoom in option, then get the intersection point like this, because it's nearer to 3 dash point, that's why. Then move the circle to 4 to 4 dash, then move the circle to focus, zoom in to get the intersection point like this. Then final point is our 5 to 5 dash, move the circle to focus, get the intersection point, that's all. So after this we just delete the circle, we got the intersection points here. It's not visible as per our eyes, so use point style and click 3 point percentage. So now it's visible. Then we need to get the same intersection points below to this axis line. So for that use the command mirror. So mirror, what are the things we are going to mirror it? Select carefully, then select all the points, then enter, click 1 and move your cursor to right direction and click no. We got the mirrored options. Then use the spline fit and get a curve. So carefully select it in our point marking. Vertex, then click right click and enter. So we got the hyperbola curve. Select the hyperbola and change the color for identification, yellow color, and change the thickness to 0.30. So right now we got the hyperbola curve. Then we need to draw the tangent and normal at any point on the curve. So for that we just type point and type here and click here, then select the line from this point to focus point, just draw one line, then select this line, copy it, Ctrl C and paste it, Ctrl V. So we got the line. Use the rotate command, select this object and enter, select center and type 90°. So it's rotated. Then select this object, then use the move command from this point to this focus point. So we just move, then this line is going to intersect our directrix line. So for that use the extend command, select boundary and enter, click this line. So now intersected. Then connect this point to our P point. We got the tangent line. So use the text command for identification, So this is our Q point and mention this point is our P. So we got P to Q line as our tangent line. Then copy this line and paste it and rotate this line to 90 degree and move this object from here to center to that is our P point here. So we just move. So this line shows our normal. So tangent line we need to extend somewhere. So for that use the line command. Here you just draw one boundary line, then use the extend command, select boundary, enter and select this line to get the tangent line somewhat extended. Now highlight this line, these two lines in the different colors. So I shown in red color in the thickness of 0.30. So right now I just drawn the tangent and normal. That's all. So in this way only how to draw the hyperbola using AutoCAD. Thank you.